Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed about the JavaScript advanced browser API integrations. Right. So we saw the example by making use of the intersection observer API. So today we'll be discussing about the JavaScript polyfills and shims. So polyfills and shims basically they allow developers to use the modern JavaScript features in the environment that do not natively support them. So uh, again, I'm telling this concept is very easy. So polyfills and shims, they allow developers to use the modern JavaScript features in the environments that do not natively support them. Initially, let's see the example of the polyfill for the array.prototype.includes, right? So this is simple. Let me quickly come here. Let me give here. If not, we are writing the polyfill for array.prototype.includes, right? So I'll just give here array.prototype.includes. Here quickly let me give array.prototype includes. Let me pass the function here. Let me create a function, pass value here, right? Value as the parameter. Let's return. Let me make use of this keyword here. Let me make use of index of. If index of value is the parameter that we have considered, right? If it is not equal to -1, right? So then finally what we will do, we will log something, console log of within the array. Let me give some random numbers. I'll just give 1 2 3 in my case. You can consider any number. I'll just give here includes of 2. So this has to give 2, true, right? 2 is included. So uh, we have to get the output true here. So cannot read properties of undefined. This is saying, did I do something wrong? Console log. Just give me a second here. So yeah, here I have done a mistake, right? This bracket we have to give here basically. So this is the reason we were getting error. So let me run this one again. Yeah, now we are getting the output true. So basically I'll quickly explain what I have done here. We are going with the condition check, right? So this ensures the method isn't already supported. So we are going with the condition check. Basically, you can clearly see we are making use of, if not this one, prototype.include. So we are going with the condition check here, right? So we are going with the condition check just to ensure that the method isn't already supported. And we are going with the custom implementation that adds includes functionality using index of, right? We are going with the custom implementation that adds the includes functionality using index of. We are getting the same output, that is nothing but the true. 2 is included here, right? So while I give dot includes of 2, then we are getting the output boolean value true. So I hope the concept of this one polyfill, JavaScript polyfills is completely clear. You can try with the example for the shims as well, especially shims. This one shims for fetch, you can try. I have shown you the example for the polyfill for array.prototype.includes, right? For now, this is it. Next, we'll be discussing on understanding the object.define property and object.freeze, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.